I'll be leaving soon. I'll be headed north, though I don't know where. I don't